Ah, yeah, the Kakapo, or Kakapo. It's one of the most cute things I ever seen. A little flightless parrot alive in some islands in New Zealand. So yeah, we hunted berries and others from the native rainbow trees. It allowed during the night. But you can call it a parrot if you want. Just like very shadowless when they found them. Anyway, the story of the Kakapo is some another from the Nestor basically. Some of the ancestors used to live with the sun when the place was called Gondwana. Yeah, it's a big fat continent, remember? Subsequently, they had something called Iceland syndrome, but Nate turned chubby and flightless. Oh mate. Already in the times of mankind, the Maoris asylum discovered New Zealand. So the Kakapo. The parrot was hunted for his meat, but then could get weight 1.5 kilograms, and that weight used to for clocks. Traditional Maori thing. It was like Dodo. Do you remember that guy? He didn't end up well. But not only humans had to deal with the pirates problem, as well coyotes and Polynesian dogs, which our instinct also helped. Anyway, they were brought by humans, so fortunately some couples were saved and some of them even were adopted as pets in some rare cases. For when British arrived to New Zealand in the 19th century, the couple had already gone extinct in many islands. Luckily, the English ornithologist George Robert Gray found some still alive and gave them the name of Estrigabs habroptilus. Going back to the old tradition, another common name George Gray adapted one spot. My Kakapo behavior was more like that of a dog, he wrote. People started trying to help the couple since 1895. Many people took some specimens to free the predators' islands, but the birds always found problems. You see, the good part of the couple is his skill to live in different biomes and conditions, and the bad part, apart from the lack of ability to fly, is how difficult it is for them to procreate with a polygamous leg mating system. We consist and wait about 3 years trying to find a beautiful Kakapo female, which can be distinguished easily using your bombs that reminds my phone ringtone. Fight with other males and finally do what they have to do. I understand why the couple like to play. Why anything defined after 30 years the air hedge and the chicks are born. Yeah, Kakapo have a difficult and complex history, don't you think? That's why the Kakapo recovery program established some safe sanctuaries in 1982. And with some work, we could finally see our beloved Kakapo healthy and strong. Today, mate,